Welcome to Collision Career Institute's YouTube channel, your gateway to unlocking the future of collision repair. This is a high-level overview of CCI's content and how CCI is reshaping the industry and paving the way for success. At CCI, we're not just another school or training program. We're a pioneering force in the collision repair industry, dedicated to transforming the way businesses find, train, and retain talent. Our journey begins with understanding the unique work styles of candidates and their intended trainers. Through work style assessments, we ensure the perfect match between candidates and their intended role, streamlining the recruitment process for both businesses and aspiring technicians. But recruitment is just the first step. Retaining top talent is an ongoing challenge for collision repair businesses. That's where CCI steps in, offering innovative strategies for attracting and retaining skilled workers, along with tailored solutions to address workforce shortages head-on. Once onboarded, apprentices embark on a transformative journey through CCI's apprenticeship program. From hands-on training to comprehensive curriculum, we equip both trainers and their apprentices with the skills and knowledge they need to excel in their careers. But our impact doesn't stop there. We believe in the power of partnerships, collaborating with jobbers, paint manufacturers, and 20 groups to drive industry-wide innovation and success. Jobbers can utilize CCI apprenticeships to create stronger connections with shops they support, developing skilled technicians, painters, and estimators in-house. Paint manufacturers increase their influence with customer shops and increase paint sales by utilizing CCI apprenticeships. And 20 groups leverage CCI's resources to solve workforce development challenges for associated shop owners. Behind every successful collision repair apprenticeship is a skilled training manager. At CCI, we recognize the pivotal role training managers play in talent development, driving profitability and efficiency at the shop level. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize the value proposition offered by CCI. From recruitment to retention, apprenticeships to partnerships, we're here to empower collision repair businesses, technicians, painters, and estimators alike. So, whether you're a shop owner, business leader, or industry enthusiast, I encourage you to engage with CCI. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights and updates, and join us on this journey of innovation and excellence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.